Place the B hardware into the designated spots in 4 as shown. Line up 3 and 2 and gently tap them into place and tighten the hardware clockwise. Now repeat the same steps with piece number 1. With number 5 as well. Now lay number 6 with the hardware as shown. Place piece 9 and 10 onto 6 and tighten the hardware until flush. Grab both pieces numbered 11 and place it on the pieces shown in the clip and tighten the hardware. Now line up number 8 and 7 with 11 and 6 and tighten. And it should look like this. Now it's time to connect the 2 pieces like shown in this clip. Grab the pair of 20 and the pair of 22 pieces and place them together like this. Now use these screws to screw in the wheels. Grab the pair of 21 and connect them to the piece with the wheels as shown in this clip. Tighten down these with the smaller screws. Follow step 9 in the included instructions and secure in the handles on the front piece. Continuing from step 15, tighten every bolt and make sure the dowels are fully in. Now grab 18 and place it on the inside of 14 and tighten it down. Place the hardware into the designated spots and tighten it to the remaining piece. Bolt down these hinges with the screws like shown.